Natural foods that whiten your teeth. If you are looking for a natural way to brighten your teeth, there are plenty of foods that whiten your teeth. Eating these healthy foods and maintaining a good oral hygiene routine will help whiten your teeth. Are you concerned about the color of your teeth? Not to worry, most of us are. At some point in life, we've all been concerned about the color of our teeth and how to get them shades whiter. We all love a big, white, straight smile because nothing else screams confidence like a bright, white, straight smile. So how can we achieve this naturally? Well, the first thing we must understand is that our teeth color is not actually white. This is because of the enamel on top and the dentin underneath it. Enamel is hard, but dentin is softer and contains tiny holes called dentinal tubules through which nerves and blood vessels go through the tooth. These holes give teeth their natural color, which is yellow or brownish when exposed to oxygen and bacteria in saliva. This causes discoloration over time due to the oxidation of iron atoms present in dentin. Therefore, no matter how aesthetically pleasing white teeth are, at some point we cannot hide our true tooth color. Fortunately, there are a variety of natural foods that whiten your teeth. Men, women, and children can benefit from using certain food items to whiten their teeth. The healthy ingredients help you maintain a beautiful smile while saving money in the process. Here are 8 natural foods that will help you get whiter teeth. Strawberries. Strawberries have a high malic acid concentration often found in certain kinds of toothpaste. Malic acid works like a natural astringent and helps remove tooth surface discoloration. It is important to note that citric acid is also found in strawberries and weakens the enamel. Thus, you should wait at least 30 minutes after consuming strawberries and other acidic food to brush your teeth. Apples. Apples' crunchiness acts as a natural abrasive scrape to clean your teeth as you bite into them. Like strawberries, apples also contain a high malic acid concentration, typically seen in certain varieties of toothpaste. Crunchy fruit and vegetables, like apples, can scrub away plaque and bacteria, stimulate saliva production, and provide good sources of vitamins and minerals that strengthen your teeth. In addition, extra saliva is encouraged by malic acid, which aids in removing and preventing tooth stains when you brush your teeth. Cheese. The dentin underlying your enamel may become exposed over the years as a result of dry mouth, acidic and sugary foods, and other circumstances, making your teeth appear more yellow. Calcium included in cheese helps to strengthen bones and teeth enamel. Another protein found in cheese called casein is crucial for healing tooth enamel. Additionally, chewing cheese stimulates salivation, which aids in removing microorganisms from the mouth and maintaining oral hygiene. Avoid processed cheeses and choose aged, soft, ripened, and blue cheeses instead. Oranges. Oranges are loaded with vitamins and minerals and are a nutritional powerhouse. Vitamin C, a water-soluble antioxidant, is the most notable of them. The vitamin C in orange juice removes teeth stains and leaves an even color. However, it is also important to note that citric acid is also found in oranges and weakens the enamel of your teeth. Make sure you wait at least 30 minutes after consuming oranges and other acidic food to brush your teeth. Milk. Not only is milk good for our bone health and development, but it also helps maintain your teeth's white hue. Milk is rich in calcium, protein, and phosphorus, all of which help buffer mouth acids. Phosphorus and calcium also help repair and remineralize your teeth, thus making milk a great way to fortify your enamel and reduce stains. Leafy greens. Leafy vegetables like spinach, romaine lettuce, and kale can aid in the overall appearance and buildup of your teeth. These veggies contain folic acid, called B9 vitamin, which is required for cell growth and repair and can help reduce inflammation in the gums and make teeth more resistant to plaque and bacteria. In addition, these veggies have high iron levels which coat your tooth enamel, warding off things like harmful bacteria, stains, and acid erosion. Pineapples. Pineapple is one of the best foods you can eat for whiter teeth. Bromelain, a unique substance found in pineapple, is occasionally added to toothpaste to whiten teeth. After a meal, munching on a fresh piece of this fruit may help your smile look better. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that canned pineapple doesn't suit this description because the benefit is lost during the canning process and the majority of it is simply plain sugar, which is bad for teeth. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds can be considered as natural exfoliators for teeth. Overall, they function as effective teeth exfoliators. You can try removing stains from your tooth enamel with the abrasive roughness of walnuts, kernels of sunflower, cashews, and semolina seeds. Nuts and seeds can also assist in removing stains from the surface of your teeth, making them appear whiter. Particularly sesame seeds are effective at scrubbing plaque from your teeth. They also have calcium, which helps to strengthen bones and teeth. Foods to avoid. Just as there are foods that help with the whitening of your teeth, there are also foods that stain our teeth that we need to avoid or reduce intake of. Foods such as coffee, red wine, berries, soda, tomato-based sauces, curry, balsamic vinegar, and soy sauce. Hygiene routine. As much as these foods help whiten our teeth, the best natural way to keep your teeth white are everyday healthy habits, including brushing your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes. Use a whitening toothpaste with the ADA seal of acceptance. Flossing or cleaning between your teeth once a day. Limiting foods that stain your teeth like coffee, tea, and red wine. Not smoking or using tobacco. Regular visits to your dentist for checkups and cleanings. Whitening your teeth the natural way takes time. It's more of a lifestyle than a quick fix. Nevertheless, if you need a quick fix, professional dental products and whitening treatments, such as those provided by Claremont Dental, will work best to whiten your teeth instantly. The foods and drinks you consume and choose to avoid will still have an impact on how healthy and white your teeth are. As a result, you can try eating and drinking these natural foods and beverages to continue to brighten your teeth while avoiding the foods or habits that can stain or yellow your teeth. Naturally, brighten your smile the healthy way.